This is Ideogram AI, one of the most talked about AI tools for logos, text designs, and images. I have already used it before, and yes, it can create beautiful logos for free. But the real question is Ideogram actually safe and legit? Or is it another AI tool that looks good but disappoints later? Today I'll show you the full truth. And before you upgrade or spend money, watch this review till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to Priyo Promo, the channel where we review AI tools honestly so you don't waste money on hype or scams. If you are a designer, creator, entrepreneur, or someone who wants AI generate logos and images, this video is for you. First, let's answer one important question. Why do people use Ideogram? Because it creates high quality logos. Text inside images looks clean and readable. It works well for branding, posters, thumbnails, and yes, it gives free credits when you sign up. That's why Ideogram is popular among beginners and designers. Step 1. Accessing ideogram.ai. Now let's go step by step. Go to Google Chrome, type ideogram.ai and enter the website. Step 2. Free credits and profile overview. I have already used Ideogram before to create logos. When you create an account, Ideogram gives you free credits. If I click on my profile icon, I can see my remaining credits. Right now, I still have 12 credits left. That means you can actually test these tools without paying anything at the start. Personalization. From the profile section, I can also turn on the dark mode, which makes the interface more comfortable, especially for long design sessions for like me. Step 4. Canvas and creative tools. Next, I click on Canvas. Inside Canvas, I can see Generate, Music AI, Extend, Remix. These tools allow you to generate new images, modify existing ones, expand or remix designs creatively. This is where Ideogram feels powerful. Step 5. Explore and prompt creation. Now I click on Explore. From there I go to Profile and see the section. What will you create? Here I can type any prompt, logos, posters, branding, social media visuals, and Ideogram will generate images based on my prompt. If this review is helping you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Priyo Promo for real AI tool testing and honest reviews. Now let's talk about safety and reputation. Deep research: is Ideogram safe or scam? Before upgrading any AI tool, deep research is extremely important. So I check user reviews, public reputation, ratings, real feedbacks from designers. The good news: Ideogram is not a scam. It is a well-known AI image generation platform with growing popularity. Based on public feedback, overall rating around 4.4 out of 5. Most user praised logo quality, text accuracy inside images, free credits availability, simple and clean UI. Positive points. Let's talk about the positives. Excellent for logo creation, text rendering is very accurate, free credits for new users, good for branding and thumbnails. For many users, Ideogram feels reliable and creative. Negative points, cons, but no tool is perfect. Limited free credits, advanced style require paid plans, not ideal for photorealistic images, custom control is limited compared to Pro Tools. These are limitations you should know. Step 7, pricing and upgrade warning. If I click on upgrade, I can see different subscription plans. Before purchasing anything, please remember this. Always check limitation, credit uses, real user feedback, whether it fits your needs. Because today the internet is full of fake tools or misleading AI platforms. So here's my honest expert verdict. Ideogram AI is legit, safe, great for logos and text-based designer, good for logo designer, beginner, branding and social media, quick relative work. Not ideal for photorealistic AI art, advanced professional design workflows. If you understand its limits, Ideogram is absolutely worth using. I have shown you everything: free credits, feature, pros, cons and tricks. Now the decision is yours. If you want more honest AI reviews, subscribe to Pre Promo, like the video, share it and comment below which AI tool should I review next. Remember, never buy an AI subscription without research. Stay smart, stay creative. I will see you in the next video.